Hey, what's happening out there, YouTube? This is your boy Lewis once again. In today's episode, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to open up Google Chrome all the time into incognito mode. Alright, now in today's episode, I'm going to go ahead and do this on Windows 11, but it's pretty much identical. The process will be really close to identical if you do this on Windows 10. Okay, so let's go ahead and follow the process. All right, first thing you do, come over here to your start button right there, and we're gonna go ahead and type the word Chrome. All right, right afterwards, go ahead and select it and then click right there where it says open file location. All right, then afterwards it's gonna go ahead and take us where you have Google Chrome installed in your operating system. Go ahead and right click, and then you're going to select that option right there where it says show more options. Okay, and then it's going to go ahead and take you right here. Select this option right there where it says send to, and then afterwards go ahead and select desktop create shortcut. All right, and after that you can go ahead and exit out of this window right here, and there you go. It took us right here to the shortcut. Okay, it gave us another shortcut. All right, now we're going to go ahead and select Chrome and right click, and now go ahead and either select show more properties or properties. It's the same thing. All right, so for the sake of this tutorial, I'll go ahead and select properties, and then make sure you go straight right here where it says target. All right, now make sure you go ahead and place your cursor at the very end, okay, where you have all of this files, Google Chrome, applications, chrome.exe, and then it has like an apostrophe right there. Okay, make sure it's at the very end of that. All right, now all you have to do is click one space and then dash, and then type the word incognito. All right, there you go. It has to look exactly like this. All right, make sure it looks identical to that. Now go ahead and just click this option right there, okay, where it says change icon, and make sure you select that one. You know, that way you can see the difference. Okay, then after that click OK, and then you're gonna go ahead and click apply, and then OK. Now here we go, we have our two browsers. Okay, this is my normal browser right here, so you can see that, and then now if you go ahead and double click that, there you go. Okay, you have your Google Chrome set into incognito mode by default. Okay, now this will definitely come in really helpful if you're in the run and you don't want to spend any time deleting your browsing history or whatever, so that will definitely come in really helpful. All right, so thank you very much for checking out my channel. This is going to be my time for this video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you here shortly. Peace.